So here we are. It's a big day, and we are leveling out the yard. I was trying to find a rake for my daughter-in-law over here. Do you see the rake in there? No? My daughter's cleaning out the shed. My husband's helping my son-in-law on the skid steer. Hey, Jay. I got my other son in the camper. Kids are in the pool. Trying to get it all done today. And I'm trying to record this so you know what the hell I'm doing. Let's see this. Get her done. Look at my lawn. It's okay. It's okay. I keep telling myself it's okay. We're gonna flatten that out and then some seed. There we go. All right, is that the wheel cover?
Yeah.
Okay. We can always put something new over that.
Yeah.
Okay. Stove's going. What's that, the sink?
That is your water line for the sink. Yeah.
All right, so don't detach those because I still need a sink in here. Eventually, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, that's water line for the sink.
Yeah, because if they're good and I don't have to replace them, that'll be great. You know?
Uh-huh.
If they're not, then I guess I gotta replace them, but getting her done. I'm so excited. My dreams are coming true. Get it. I have a sledgehammer, you know. You want it? He's like, what do you mean?
Yes, give it some.
I shouldn't have said that.
My baby.
Let's get a sledgehammer. It is hot. There it is. Demon Wax, here we come. I'm gonna have to take a couple of swings at something. It's my project. No, I'll let you finish this. I'll take on that wall. Okay. I didn't move my gloves. That's all right. made my peace.
Piece of frustration now.
So this is what we got left over after the initial demo. We're getting there. Looks worse than it did before. But once it's all together, it'll be great.